So you are looking for the Northwest area in the Las Vegas area. We're going to take you up here to Kyle Canyon. Today I'm showing you this beautiful property that's by Pointe, and I think you're really going to like it. Stay with us till the end. I'm going to show you a really cool feature that I think you'll like in regards to the primary bedroom. So let's go inside. Come on. And we'll get you upstairs. But we'll get to your primary here in a second. But you have a little studio. We'll take you through the other bedrooms first before we get you into the primary. So you have this bedroom one option here with closet. They're using the secondary bedroom, looks like now, as a gym. Looks like your closet would be on that side. And now let's take you to your primary. Primary bed. And then what I told you is I had a surprise for them. Here's the end. And what I'm going to do on that surprise is show them. So go to the primary closet for you. Oh, and now,
Oh, this is very zero.
our walk through on this one.
Very smart. Very smart.
Like about this laundry, all that kind of great stuff, and you don't have to go all the way around your bedroom to get to this. You can have this walkthrough. There you go. As well, you have your commode that you probably didn't see there. Yeah, full to the right. Your powder room, WC. But I love this walkthrough as far as this laundry area is concerned. Very cool. And as you can see by these signs, they definitely want to make sure that you guys have your representation with you physically on your first visit. So it's not just us trying to, corner you. We really are trying to advocate for you here. Crazy that we're all the way out here. So it's like if you're going to the Charleston,